welcome back to my channel for a Walgreens to do video. I will share some of the deals that will start on June 16 to June 22, and I hope this video will give you a head start for next week. And I have a very easy spend booster deal that I will share later on in this video. The first deal I have will be on Nivea body wash. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 Walgreen cash, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 of the women's body wash priced at $7.99. The second one will be $4, and both body washes will total $11.99. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon that we'll receive on Sunday. That will drop it down to $6.99, and you get $5 Walgreen cash. Ibotta is giving back $2 on each body wash, but my Ibotta account doesn't have the offer on the homepage. I have to go under the list because I added it. If you still have the offer, it will end up making these 2 body wash free and a $2 money maker. The next deal I have will be a buy 2 get $3 register reward, and that will be on Colgate products. Some of them are on sale for $4 and some on sale for $5. If you can find the ones that are on sale for $4, pick up 2 of the toothbrushes. Both will total $8. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $3, and you get $3 register reward back, making both free. And you can pay with Walgreen cash unless you're adding this deal to a spend booster deal. The next deal I have will be on Crest or Ruby Dental Care. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 register reward, and they're on sale for $3 to $4. Pick up a Crest toothpaste at $4 and Oral-B toothbrush at $4. Both will total $8. We have a $2 digital coupon for the toothpaste, and we have a $1 coupon for the toothbrush. The 2 coupons will drop it down to $5, and you get $3 register reward back, making both just $2 or $1 each. And you can also pay with Walgreen cash. The next deal I have is on Shea Moisture deodorants. They're on sale for $10, and when you spend $20, you get $10 register reward back. Pick up 2. Both will total $20. We only have $3 in our app that you can use on one, and the coupon will drop it down to $17, and you get $10 register reward back. And that will make both deodorants just $7 or $3.50 each. And this deal, you can use Walgreen cash. The next deal I have here will be on Dove or Dove Men Bad Care. They're on sale for $7, and when you buy 2, you get $2 register reward. Pick up 2, and they will total $14. According to the ad, we're supposed to receive a 5 off 2 coupon that will drop it down to $9, and you get 2 back, making both just $7 or $3.50 each. The next deal will be on Iris Spring and Soft Soap, and that includes the hand soap and the Bad Care. They're on sale for $5.99, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, and both will total $11.98. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.98, and you get $2 register reward. That will make both just $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal I have will be on Tresemme Hair Care. They're on sale for $6 or $7, and when you buy 2, you get $5 register reward. Try and see if you can find the ones on sale for $6, because that will be a better deal. Pick up 2, both will total $12. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7, and you get back $5 register reward. That will end up making both just $2 or $1 each. And you can also pay with Walgreen cash. The next deal will be on Tide Laundry Care. They're on sale for $12.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 register reward back. Pick up 1 of the Tide detergents and 1 of the Tide pods. Both will total $25.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the detergent, and we also have another $3 coupon for the Tide pod. And the 2 coupons will drop it down to $19.98, and you get $4 register reward. That will end up making these 2 laundry items just $15.98 or $7.99 each. If you have a spend booster or spend 40 get $10 Walgreen cash, I will give you an idea of what deals to put together. Pick up 1 Tide detergent and 1 Tide pod at $12.99 each. 2 women Nivea body wash at buy 1 get 1 half off. One will be $7.99, and the second one will be $4. And the last 2 items will be 2 Colgate toothbrushes at $4 each. All these 6 items will total $45.97. And the coupons you will use for this transaction will be two $3 coupons for the Tide, one for the detergent and one for the Tide Pod. And for the Nivea, we have a 5 off 2. And we also have a 5 off 2 for the Colgate toothbrushes. And all these coupons are all digital coupons. After the coupons, it will drop you down to $29.97. Do not use Walgreen cash to pay for this deal because you're using a spend booster. You can use any register reward that you have, manufacturer's register reward, or you can pay out of pocket. And you will get back $4 register reward for buying 2 Tide products, $5 Walgreen cash for buying 2 of the Nivea body wash, and $3 register reward for buying 2 of the Colgate toothbrushes. Because you're using a spend booster or spend 40 get $10 Walgreen cash, you will also get back the $10 Walgreen cash. Don't forget to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back. That's 2 on each body wash. And after the register rewards, Walgreen cash and the rebate from Ibotta, this transaction will end up costing just $3.97 or 66 cents each. If you need Snuggle fabric softener, it's going to be on sale for $3.99 and will receive a $1 digital coupon that will make it just $2.99. And the next laundry item I have will be on Arm & Hammer. They will also be on sale for $1.99. And Dawn 5.8 ounces dish soap will be on sale for 99 cents. I have 3 soda deals in this video, and the first one I have will be on Coke. Pick up 3 of the 12 packs. They're on sale for 3 for $15.99. Pay that, and that will make it just $5.33 each. And the next one will be on Pepsi. They're on sale for buy 2 get 2 free, and they are priced at $9.99 each. What you're going to do is pick up 4 of the 12 packs, and that will total $19.98 for all 4, or just $5 each. The last soda deal I have is on Canada Dry. They're on sale for 3 for $14.99. Pick up 3 12 packs and pay the $14.99 for all 3, or just $5 each. I only shared one spend booster example in this video, but you can switch the deals to include what you need. And don't forget to check back on Sunday to see what deals I picked up. And the last thing I want to mention is that we always get new coupons on Sunday, so make sure you're checking your app and you're sending to card what coupons you need. I would like to say thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you all for coming back, and thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.